Okay, today we're going to draw a butterfly. So I'm just going to put a quick line in there. This is going to act as symmetry. What's on this side will be on this side. So what we do first is we do a little head, and then we do the body section, and finally its back section. So we're getting a bit of the classic insect shape in here, head, thorax, abdomen. Right, so once we have that, what we do next is we do the wings. So I'm going to do a curve outwards this way and a curve outwards this way. I'm going to round off the curve at the end with a circle. I'm then going to come in a little bit with a curve, and then I'm going to do a circle again and then come into the body. So what I'm trying to do is get these symmetrical. So I'm looking at these lines being roughly the same size, these lines being roughly the same size, these curves being roughly the same size. Once I've got it in place, I can then draw it in, blending bits as I go, like so. Same there. Blending bits as I go, like so. So I've got two wings. I'm going to put the next wings in. That one's slightly bigger, but I'm not too worried about that. I'm trying to get it very close. So if they're not perfectly close, do not go into a state of panic, because it's perfectly okay. So I've got lower wings, so again drawing in lightly first. Coming up to a section here, we'll do a big circle there. Come out this way, do a big circle there as well. And then I'm going to blend that back into the same position. So it comes round, goes back in. Likewise blend that back into the same position. So it bends round, goes back in. That gives me two more wings. So next I want to create some pattern areas so that when I colour this in, it's more interesting to colour in. So following this line here, I'm going to create a shape in here and a shape in here. Same both sides, so I'm practicing backwards, forwards between both sides. I'm going to put in a shape over here and a shape over here. Shape just here. Shape just here. And then with these outer bits, what I'm going to do is put in lots of small shapes. Now this is a bit too small on this side, so I could change it with an eraser, but I'm not going to bother because, all artists, if you make mistakes, sometimes you like the mistake, and I think it adds a little bit more sort of individuality to the drawing, so don't worry. Okay, that's a good thing about art. So down to the bottom section down here, going to put a sort of circular shape in there and there, blend that back. Like so, and then put in some shapes around there. Then to finish this off, what we do is we put in the antennae, which come in, come out, and then you can start adding colour to this. So I'll just show you what I mean by adding colour. I was going to use this pencil, but you can use colours if you want. I'm going to go into the body area here and turn that in. And then I'm going to go into the wing, and in the wing I'm just going to add tone in this case to the space between the shapes. Okay, can you see how that started to work? Okay, so that's the plan. We're going to try to draw symmetrical either side of the line, and then we're going to add tone or colour to give high contrast definition to the drawing. Okay, now you try that.